right, so this is a mold from New York Cake. It's a beautiful design, and it reminds me of a cowboy boot design on the kind of on the sides of the boot. So I am going to try to texture this. Place it down like this. Press on a bit, and just very kind of lightly, but also firmly. Does that make sense? I don't want to move it too much. Go back and forth. And woo, look at that beautiful design. Okay, now let's see. I'll make this the top and then this the bottom. So I want to clean the black off of my pizza cutter. And then I'm actually going to come from here and kind of cut in and then come out and cut in again. And out. Let me cut this off. I think I need to come in here and then around that a bit. Okay, and then I actually want the design. I think I'm going to have it go straight across here, that way. Then I'll take this little corner off, like that. And then all these little pieces in here, just kind of soften those back up. And then this will be the bottom of the cake. So I'll need to pick this up, my palette knife here. All right, so if I want these to be more in the middle, I think I want this lined up with the buckle, the part of the belt buckle. So that means this needs to go over here next to it. So I'll take this. Be right about here and turn so you can see it. All right, and then I can leave like a little space and then keep doing it all the way around. So I'll just leave a little bit of space because I want this piece to actually sit on top of that one. So I need to do quite a few more of these. So what I should do is actually do the front one, then do the back one, or actually I'll do two of them here. I'll do this one and then this one, and then do the back side, because we want to make sure that they're gonna work out right as far as positioning. So if I do the front and the back ones, then the middle might be a little bit different, but at least they'll be uniform that way. Okay. Now this one, if I want it actually to go shorter this way and then go up, I'd have to do it the opposite, like this is higher over here. It just wouldn't be the same exact design. So that's something you have to kind of think about whether and I think I do want it to go down there. So that's what I'm going to do. So that means that from here to here is going to be the straight line. Wait, yes, no, down here would be the straight line. Let me see if I'm going to like that now that I said it that way. I don't think I am. So I'm changing it because that's what I do. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it like I did the other one, I guess. We'll see once I get it on there if I like it. Maybe I won't actually attach it. Okay, so then cut across the bottom. Okay, it's up a little high there, so I'm going to pull it back and then attach it. Again, that's kind of the cool thing about the shortening. But for display cakes, you know, the shortening after a while some of it can come off. So I could put it on like this, and then when I know that's the exact position and everything I wanted, I could come back and, you know, peel off a couple of pieces like that and just put a little water there if I wanted to. Okay, so that'll work. All right, so I'm going to do two more in the back, and then we'll come back and I'll show you what we're going to do on the sides. So on the back right now, I'm going to do the exact same thing.